What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create contact list on Yahoo. So first off, head over to Google or any browser and then in the search bar type in Yahoo and you will see the first official website of Yahoo. Then click on that and after that you will be redirected to the homepage of Yahoo. And after that, if you already have an account, just simply log in with your email and password. But if you are new to Yahoo, just sign in or create a new Yahoo account, and then you will be able to enter Yahoo Mail. After entering, if you want to create a contact list here on your right side, you can see this option, this first one, it shows contacts. Just click on it, and then on your right side, click on list. And here you will see the option of create list. Just click on this and first of all just give the name of the list. For example, I'm giving it hello, and then add your contacts, like give the name of the person that you want to add, and after adding everyone just simply click on save and it will save the list name with the contacts that you have added. So this is how you can create a contacts list on Yahoo. That was all for this video guys. Thank you everyone for watching.